Leute, this is RuVik Education, and today we're going to be beginning with Lektion 6, Lesson 6 of Class 5th Deutsch in their second book. So, without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, remember that we are learning together, growing together. We may make some mistakes, but we will try our best to provide you with all the correct information. So, let's begin. So, as soon as we dive right into the chapter, we can see the map of Germany. Do you remember what we call map in German? It's Landkarte. We can see a Landkarte, the Landkarte of Deutschland. So what do we see? So we can see many Sehenswürdigkeiten, which means monuments like these are few attractions in Germany. We can also see some places that we have seen before, like Bonn. We have discussed about Bonn. We know about Frankfurt. We know about Bayern. We know about München. Or even if you don't know, now you know. Leipzig, all these are few well-known places. Hamburg, Kiel, all these are few known places. Now let's go ahead and see what the chapter wants to convey. So in the first box, we can see Es gibt Sommerferien. What does this mean? Es is it, gibt is a verb that comes from geben. Geben means to give. Okay, this is due to verb conjugation, it became gibt. Es gibt Sommerferien. Sommer is summer, Ferien is vacation, so summer vacation. Janvi will nach Deutschland fliegen und sie fragt andere Freunde, wer möchte mitfliegen. Okay, so this means Janvi will. Will is basically coming from a root verb called wollen. This wollen is a modal verb. Wollen is a modal verb. What's a modal verb? That we'll discuss later on, but wollen is a modal verb, and due to verb conjugation, it became will. And what does this mean? It means would like to or wish to. Would like to or wish to is appropriate. Many people think will means as in English will, but no, it's not the English will. It means would like to or wish to. So Janvi would like to or wish to nach Deutschland. I told you whenever we're talking about countries, nach will come. Fliegen is basically a root verb itself only. It means, what does it mean? It means to fly. To fly. So you fly to countries via aeroplanes, right? That's why it's fliegen. Und sie fragt andere Freunde. And she asked. Fragt comes from fragen. Fragen is to ask. Andere is other, Freunde is friends. Where? Where is not where, but English where. It means who. It means who. Where means who. Who would like to? Möchte. What is möchte? Möchte comes from the root verb möchten. Möchten means would like to. Then now you'll be confused. I told wollen is would like to. Then I'm saying möchten is would like to. Which one is would like to? Basically, I told wollen is would like to just to give you the gist. Wollen is more in cases of wishes or something you're going to do. Okay, that's why I used would. But whenever we're talking about möchten, it is fixed. Möchten is would like to. Möchten is would like to. I told it for wollen to give you the gist. But yeah, möchten is would like to. It is also a modal verb. So mitfliegen is, mit means with, fliegen is fly. So who else would like to fly with her? Would like to fly with her because of möchten. Okay, next you can see Shaurya will auch nach Deutschland fliegen. That means Shaurya wish also. Will here na is also would. Like I just right now told you that will is not the English will, but it is some or the other way it is because of the gist or understanding of the sentence becomes easier if you think of it that way. Okay. Because the reason I'm telling you, or I myself, I'm a little bit confused in telling you, or I'm not able to explain, is because there's basically a word called würde. Würde is wood, so that's why I was a little bit dicey. Anyways, you can I hope you got it. Shaurya will out nach Deutschland fliegen. That means Shaurya will also nach Deutschland fly. That he will also fly to Germany. January and Sherek Kyonen zusammenfahren. January and Sherek Kyonen. Kyonen is another word that is modal verb. It's a modal verb and it means can or could, all those words. January and Sherek can zusammen is together, fahren is to travel. Now, one question you will ask that I always told you that verb should be at second place, but over here there are two verbs. One is kyonen, which is a modal verb, and one is fahren, which is a normal verb. So, which verb should be at which place? So, whenever there is a modal verb, there are few modal verbs. I guess only 6 modal verbs are there, and we'll basically learn them and the verb conjugation. Don't need to worry. So these will always come at the second position. These will always come at the second position, and the other word will come at the last position in infinitive form. What is infinitive form? That means it will not get conjugated. For example, here you can see dann müssen sie schnell die Tickets kaufen. That means then they must buy the tickets fast. So this is another modal verb, müssen. Müssen is another modal verb which means must. Must. Müssen means must. So over here, I mean, Z is used, and for Z the conjugation is like the root verb only, so that's why you can't see much difference. But even here, modal verb is at second place, and this is in the last place in infinitive form. Okay. Atharva kann leider nicht nach Deutschland fliegen. Now here I can give you the example of infinitive form. How? Because kann is nothing but kyonen. It is nothing but kyonen. Because atharv is there here, it is conjugated to become kann. We learn the verb conjugation. It's normal like before only. Atharv kann leider, unfortunately, not go to travel, not fly to Germany. So here you can see this is a modal verb. It is coming at second place because atharv is there. It is getting conjugated. But fliegen is to fly. Even though there is atharv, we'll use this in infinitive form. Infinitive form means root form, base form. We do not need to conjugate it. It will come normal. So then er muss mit der Family nach Mumbai fliegen. So here also you can see then he must with his family nach Mumbai fliegen. He must fly with his family to Mumbai. Here also muss is conjugated form of müssen because here there is er, so this became muss. Mit their family nach Mumbai fliegen. Fliegen is coming in infinitive form because it's the other verb. So now they're asking you the question, wohin willst du reisen? That means where will you travel? Reisen is to travel. Here also you can see the example. Willst is nothing but wollen. Wollen is to wish to, right? So this is because of do it is conjugated, but reisen is not conjugated. Okay, coming over here. Kannst du Deutsch? Can you German? A says, ich möchte nach Deutschland. Here it should be fahren. It would be more correct. I would like to go to Germany. I would like to travel to Germany. B says, kannst du denn Deutsch? Here should be sprechen. Can you then German speak? Then A says, nein, aber ich lerne Deutsch. No, but I am learning German. So B says, richtig, du musst erst gut Deutsch lernen. That means, right, you must first learn good German. Here also you can see modal verb is at second place. It is nothing but müssen, and lernen is at last place in base form. A says, wohin willst du in den Sommerferien reisen? That means where would you or where will you in the in the summer vacation travel? Okay, this A is asking B. So B says, ich möchte nach Berlin fahren. I would like to travel to Berlin. Here also you can see modal verb is at second place. This is at infinitive at last. Möchten means would like to. A says, was möchtest du in Berlin sehen? What would you like to see in Berlin? Berlin is a place in Germany. Now, one thing I want to tell you, see over here there's ich, so möchten became möchte. Here there is du, so möchten became möchtest. So this is verb conjugation. Then B says, Ich will Brandenburger-Tor und Berliner Mauer besichtigen. That means I will, or I would like to, I wish to. Don't use would like to with will. I'm just using it for explanation purposes. I will Brandenburger Tor. That's the gate. It's a gate in Germany. It's a tourist attraction. On Berliner Mauer. That means Berlin Wall. Berlin Wall. I hope you have heard of it. Besichtigen means to visit. You can add this to your vocabulary. See, here wollen is a modal verb. It's at second place. Besichtigen is a normal verb. It's an infinitive form and at last place. Many of you get confused between besuchen and besichtigen. There's not much difference. Besuchen is for visiting people and besichtigen is for visiting places. Okay, aces. Möchtest du auch deutsches Essen probieren? Would you like also to eat, also to try Deutsch food? Would you like to also try Deutsch food? Probieren is to try. Deutsches Essen is German food. So B says, ja, ich möchte Currywurst essen. Yes, I would like to eat currywurst. We'll be continuing from here from the next part.